Today I'm going to be doing a video on some of my favorites from the Dollar Tree. It's going to be like cleaning and hair and whatever. Yeah, so hopefully this is interesting to you. The first thing I'm going to show you are these sponges, and I know sponges are so whatever, but I take pride in like cleaning and stuff, and I can really get into it. But these are for dishes, and they're from the Scrub Buddies brand. And they just look like this. They come in a pack of 6, which is amazing because, you know, sponges tend to get gross and can carry bacteria, so you gotta like change them out. And I usually buy like 2 bags at a time just because I've always done that. I've always made sure that I had enough so I didn't like run out of anything. My mom ingrained that into me at a very young age. We always had backups of everything, so it kind of like rubbed off on me. But these are what they look like, and they're just like your traditional yellow and green sponges. On this side is the regular sponge, and if you see, there's like a divot, and it's to hold it like this. Now if you have long nails, this is perfect so you can get like a nice grip. But even if you don't have long nails, it's just nice to have that grip to wash. And then my favorite side is this like felt scrubby part. It's like, if you can see, it's like textured. This is the part that I pretty much use all the time, and this actually doesn't really get that worn out quickly. It's pretty nice. So yeah, and it just, you put your favorite dish soap on, and it does up really nice. For 6 for $1, you cannot beat. And these are like a continuous repurchase for me. Well, this isn't clean or anything. Another thing that I have repurchased is the Salon Selectives Instant Repair leave-in conditioner. I did a review. I'll link it somewhere or down below. It's perfect. I love it. It detangles my hair after a shower. It doesn't feel greasy or heavy or anything, and it's just amazing. And for $1 for 4 fluid ounces, you really can't beat it because you don't need a lot. With hair are these little rubber band things. I use these in my hair tutorial, and they just look like this. There's like mini like little tiny rubber bands. They have a nice stretch to them. Now sometimes you can get the dud where they like break on you, but for $1 you can't really beat that. And also you get like 700 and something for $1. Like, as you can see, I have like a few packs in this little container that I keep them in. So and they come in cute little colors. So if you have like like little girls or little boys or whatever, and you want to like braid their hair or put their hair in little ponytails and do like cute little colors, you can. I definitely recommend these, and I always am buying these. The Dollar Store also sells like hair accessories and stuff too, and that's like another favorite. I just don't have any to show you. And as with the leave-in conditioner, like, they do have shampoo and conditioners, but a lot of times it doesn't work with my hair just because I have dyed hair. Like right now I really don't care because I really can't get my hair dye because Sally's is closed right now because of this whole like quarantine thing. Hopefully I can say that on camera, but so I'm just using whatever I have right now. But I usually don't go for the shampoo conditioner because usually the conditioners are liquidy, and usually the shampoos like just don't work for me. Another thing that's great from the Dollar Store, they are the hair clips. I mentioned these in my hair tutorial and also when I was dyeing my hair. As you can see, they come in different colors. You get, I think, a pack of 4. Or yeah, I think you get a pack of 4 for $1. So they have the nice little grippies. They haven't broken on me or anything, and they hold my hair up perfect. So instead of spending like maybe $3 or $4, on a pack of 4, maybe you get 4 for $1. So I really recommend getting them when you're at the Dollar Store. Another thing that I've been loving, and I've always bought these from the Dollar Store, are my nails. If you can see, I have fake nails on. Now, they aren't the best. Like, you can see like the glue underneath or whatever, but they work in a pinch if you want a little length and you want a cute design. I put these on like 2 days ago. They are fine. These last on me for a week, maybe even more. I can get them to last for me, and they come in all these different like colors. Like, here's a second one. I usually get, and when I do get the nails, I get them I get 2 packs of the same color just in case I need to mix and match like nail lengths and stuff. Now, as you can see, I got away with using just one, so I have this for another time. Here's another one. This is just like a light blue with polka dots, and then some little bow ties and stuff. And then they also do have these shapes as well, which I haven't had a chance to play with them yet, so yeah, find any cute designs at the dollar store, definitely pick them up. And the glue that I love to use is the Sassy and Chic brand, and it looks like this one. I've tried the skinny ones, but that didn't really work for me. This one, however, is amazing. It keeps them on, and I haven't had any problems with it. And like I said, I can probably go more than a week without having to like either glue it back on or just taking them all off. So I definitely recommend this glue. And I do have a tutorial on putting fake nails on. However, it was like a very long time ago. If you want me to update that, I will definitely do that. And then the last thing I'm going to show you are sunglasses from the dollar store. I wear contacts, so when I'm driving and the sun is in my face, I need something to like wear. And instead of like buying really expensive sunglasses and then them breaking, because I tend to leave them in my car and they kind of get scratched up and dinged up and everything, I just get them from the dollar store. So I have yet to put these in my car, but I still have these little purple ones, and then these little blue ones with like the flowers on the side. And yeah, they're just easy to throw on and just go about your business. So buying sunglasses from the dollar store, and they have tons of cute styles, like not just like these or they have like cute styles. So yeah. Also, honorable mentions are the kitchen, like the kitchen utensils and stuff. I buy a lot of stuff from the dollar store that has to do with the kitchen, like measuring cups, like the slotted spoons so you can like strain stuff. Yeah, so if you want any more videos on like what you can get at the dollar store, or like what are my favorite things from the dollar store, let me know. Yes, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day, and